Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Students, in maths, we are doing subtraction, and earlier we have done addition. In addition, I have told you means increase in number of things. But in subtraction, there is decrease in number of things. For example, you people have 5 toffees and 3 are eaten by you. How many toffees are left with you? That is 2 toffees. And in subtraction, we usually deal with the question that is how many are left. कितनी चीज़ें बची. इट मे बी आपके पास या मेरे पास आफ्टर यूजिंग इट और किसी को देने के बाद हमारे पास क्या बचता है. दैट द सब्ट्रैक्शन विल टेल अस. ओके, ये तो बात हुई थिंग्स की. वी आर टॉकिंग हियर अबाउट द थिंग्स. बट व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द नंबर्स एंड व्हेन वी यूज इट इन अ मैथमेटिकल टर्म, we use a particular formula and particular steps to do the sums of subtraction. What we have to do, the steps which I've told you during doing the addition sums, that were, first of all, see the sign, and here is sign is of minus, and go to ones place. Okay, third step was in the addition sums, upper number on the head and lower number on the finger. But in subtraction, afterward is used the number which is below the upper number, जो अपर नंबर के नीचे वाला नंबर है, बिकॉज लोअर नंबर वॉन्ट्स टू कैच द अपर नंबर एंड आफ्टर 2 वी स्टार्ट काउंटिंग द नंबर्स. ओके, आफ्टर 2 वी स्टार्ट काउंटिंग द नंबर in order to reach up to that particular number which is above. Okay, here 2 wants to catch 9. We will open our fingers according to that here. Like after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here we are opening our 7 fingers. You can do it on the help of your fingers. Here I am not able to show my fingers. So 9 minus 2, 2 wants to catch 9. And how many numbers we have to move upward in order to catch 9? 7 numbers. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7 numbers we are going upward. 8 minus 8. 8 minus 8 means you have 8 toffees and 8 are eaten by you. How many are left? 0. But when we talk in the mathematical term, when the same number is deducted from the same number, then the answer is 0. So 8 minus 8 is 0. Means 8 wants to catch 8. कोई अपने आप को ही पकड़ना चाहता है तो वो आगे जाएगा? No, he will not move. So answer is 0. And in the answer we write the difference is. Okay, in the addition sums we write the sum is. Here 79 minus 51. Here 1 wants to catch 9, and after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We will open our 8 fingers in order to reach up to 9. So we will write 8 here. 5 wants to catch 7. After 5, 6 and 7. 2 fingers I can show you now. 2 fingers I can show. So after 5, 6, 7. So the difference is 28. Next, 96 minus 25. 5 wants to catch 6. 5 ने किसको पकड़ना है? 6 को. After 5, 6. Only 1 finger. So we will write 1 here. 2 wants to catch 9. 2 ने पकड़ना है 9 को. तो 9 को पकड़ने के लिए हमें कितना आगे जाना पड़ेगा? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have to move 7 numbers upward in order to catch 9, and we will open our 7 fingers. So we will write 7 here. In the answer we will write the difference is 71. Last of this sheet, not the off sheet, I am doing the half of the sheet and rest of the sheet that will be done by you. 4 sum I am taking here. 4 wants to catch 9. 4 ने पकड़ना है 9 को. तो 4 के बाद 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So how many fingers are here? 5 fingers. We will write 5 here. 1 wants to catch 2. After 1, 2, 1 finger. We will write 1 here. In the answer, the difference is 50. So students, don't get confused. You have to just keep some points in your mind. See the sign means you have to see whether it is of plus and it is of minus. And in future, we will do the multiplication sums. It may be of multiply sum. Multiplication sign will be here. Okay, so see the sign. If it is of plus, then use the addition formula, addition steps like on the head, on the finger. If it is minus, then lower number wants to catch the upper number and open the fingers according to that. Go to ones place and then adopt the steps which I have told you. So in this way you will do the sums. Do practice in rough copy. Half of the sheet is done and rest of the sheet that will be done by you. And please do practice in the rough copy because practice is very much necessary. Otherwise you people will get confused. So do practice of 4 sums daily so that there should not be any confusion for you. Okay, so all the best. Have a nice day. Thank you.